Listening practice tips. First tip. Enjoy the story and get a general sense of the plot. Second tip. Focus on understanding every word and phrase. Try to visualize the scenes in your mind. Third tip. Pay attention to the pronunciation and intonation of the narrator. Fourth tip. Repeat after the narrator, trying to mimic the pronunciation and rhythm of the sentences.
During a warm summer holiday, a group of friends, Arjun, Priya, Ravi, and Anjali, decided to take a boat trip along the coast. They were thrilled to explore the nearby islands and enjoy the sea breeze. Their boat, equipped with supplies and a sense of adventure, set sail early in the morning. As they were cruising along, they noticed an island that wasn't on their map. The island was covered in dense forest, and a mysterious fog hung around it, giving it an eerie yet captivating aura. Intrigued by the unknown, they decided to dock and explore. Upon stepping onto the island, they felt a sudden chill despite the warm weather. The forest was unusually quiet, with only the sound of their footsteps breaking the silence. They followed a narrow path that seemed to lead deeper into the woods. After walking for a while, they stumbled upon a clearing with an ancient stone structure in the center. The structure looked like a temple, with intricate carvings of mythical creatures and symbols they couldn't decipher. Vines and moss covered the stone, indicating that it had been abandoned for centuries. Priya, who had a keen interest in archaeology, was fascinated. "This could be a significant historical find," she said, examining the carvings closely. The others nodded in agreement, their curiosity piqued. As they explored the temple, Ravi found an old, rusty chest partially buried under some rubble. With some effort, they managed to open it. Inside, they discovered old manuscripts, strange artifacts, and a small, ornate box. The box was locked, and the key was nowhere to be found. They decided to take the manuscripts and artifacts back to the boat to examine them further. Priya carefully packed the items, making sure they were secure. As they were about to leave, they heard a rustling sound from the trees. They turned to see an old man emerging from the forest. His appearance was startling, with long white hair and clothes that looked like they belonged to another era. The old man introduced himself as the guardian of the island. He explained that the island had been hidden from maps to protect its secrets. According to him, the temple was once a place of worship for an ancient civilization that had long vanished. The box they found contained the key to a hidden chamber within the temple, where great knowledge and treasures were stored. Arjun asked if they could find the key and unlock the chamber. The guardian agreed to help them, provided they promised to respect the sanctity of the island and its secrets. The friends eagerly agreed, and the guardian led them to a secluded part of the forest where a small shrine stood. He retrieved an old, intricate key from the shrine and handed it to Priya. With the key in hand, they returned to the temple. The key fit perfectly into the lock on the ornate box. Inside, they found a beautifully crafted key made of gold. The guardian led them to the hidden chamber within the temple. The golden key unlocked a door that revealed a room filled with ancient scrolls, golden artifacts, and precious gems. The friends were awestruck by the treasures and the knowledge stored in the scrolls. They spent hours reading and exploring, learning about the ancient civilization and its wisdom. The guardian explained that their discovery must be shared with the world to preserve the knowledge and heritage of the past. Before they left the island, the guardian made them promise to protect its secrets and respect its history. The friends returned to their boat, carrying the manuscripts and artifacts with them. They sailed back to the mainland with a newfound respect for history and a treasure trove of knowledge to share.
Comprehension questions. Comment the answers. Who were the 4 friends that went on the boat trip? What did they find that wasn't on their map? Describe the ancient stone structure they discovered on the island. What did they find inside the rusty chest? Who did they meet on the island and what did he tell them? What was inside the hidden chamber in the temple? What promise did the friends make to the guardian before leaving the island? Word of the day. Serendipity.
Meaning, संयोगवश सुखद घटना.
Pronunciation. Serendipity. 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 Definition. The occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Example.
अटारी में वह पुरानी तस्वीर मिलना संयोगवश सुखद घटना थी.
Finding that old photograph in the attic was pure serendipity. Now try this and answer in the comment box.
सड़क पर पुराने दोस्त से मिलना एक संयोगवश सुखद घटना थी.